Hi friends, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for joining me for a class today. I have got a fast 10-minute Pilates class just for you, all about the health of our shoulders and upper body. This is a great one for anyone looking to strengthen the muscles that help keep our posture upright. So, roll out your mat, let's get started. We'll start in a seat today. Just find a comfortable position on your mat and sit a little taller and straighter. Roll the shoulders back, lift a little higher out of your waist, and I want you to extend your left hand away from your body and drop your right ear to right shoulder. Now, reach your right shoulder down and think about someone pulling your left wrist away from your body. And now flex your hand, push the heel of the hand away, and now opposite direction was pull your fingertips up towards your elbow. Push the heel of the hand away, and then bring the fingertips up towards the elbow. One more time, flex and pause, and now find some rotation in your arm, in and out. Pause and do the opposite direction, pull your fingers up, and then same thing, little rotation right and left. Hold there for a moment, bring your hand back to your lap and bring your head upright. Take an inhale, reach your right hand away, drop your left ear to left shoulder. Physically reach your right wrist away from your body, lift your left ear up higher, and that's your right side, and go ahead and flex, and go the opposite direction. A couple of times, just move through that range of motion. If it feels nice to stay in one spot, you absolutely can. Now this time flex, hold, push the heel of the hand away, really reach your ear up to the sky and find some rotation in and out, moving through the body. And then pause, opposite direction, pull the fingertips up, kind of push the wrist away from the body, and then find that rotation right there. And then hold, bring your hand to your lap, bring your head upright, take a breath, dip your chin to your chest, lift the back of your head up, roll right ear to right shoulder, chin back to chest, left ear to left shoulder, chin back to chest, bring your gaze upright, take your hands over your head, catch your elbows, pull your elbows away from one another, lift up and out of your waist. Did your shoulders rise to your ears? Can you soften them down the back? Can you pull your navel to spine and wrap the ribs in? Take a big inhale. Take a small stretch over to the right. Think about pressing your left hip down and fanning open your left ribs. Big inhale. Cinch your waist as you guide yourself back up. Same thing other side. Stretch over. Push down through your right hip, your right sitting bone, and then extend longer through the right side of your body. Big inhale. Exhale, cinch your waist as you pull yourself up. Take the hands out and away, bring them in front of you, and flip your palms up to the sky. Rotate from underneath your armpits. Belly button in. Take a big inhale. Try and touch the pinkies towards one another. Take another breath. Exhale, push the heels of the hands up to the sky. Inhale, drop them down. Exhale, cinch the waist. Lift your hands up. Inhale, drop them down. 3 more. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. 2 more. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. This time, lift, pause. Navel to spine. Chest lifts high. It's like you're lifting your sternum up between that space between your arms. Keep the rotation consistent and take a little pulse of your hands up to the sky. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Keep wrapping the shoulder blades towards one another, wrapping the ribs together through the front of the body, pulling the navel to spine. Pulse again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Take a big inhale and let that go. Lie on your stomach. Find your way to the ground. Now I'm going to keep my head lifted so I can keep talking to you. You can actually soften your forehead to the mat if that feels best. But right now I just want you to take your hands down by your sides, palms facing towards the ground. Pause there, push your pubic bone down. Pull your low belly up and in. Reach your feet a little further away from you and press the tops of the feet into the floor. Legs can be together or a little bit wider, whatever feels like you can support yourself with. Now really think about belly button up and in. From here, I want you to roll the shoulders back, almost like you're pinching them towards one another. Take a big inhale. Exhale, float your hands up. Inhale, touch the hands down without losing that shoulder engagement. Exhale, float the hands up. Inhale, drop them down. Exhale, float the hands up. 3 more down. Exhale, float them up. 2 more. Now this time, lift the hands up and pause. Pubic bone down. Squeeze your thigh butt connection point. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, squeeze your thumbs towards one another. Inhale, away. Exhale, squeeze the thumbs towards one another. Inhale, open them away. 3 more, cinch the waist, navel to spine and open. 2 more, cinch the waist, navel to spine and open. Last one, hold. Take a big inhale. Without losing that engagement of the shoulders, keep rolling them back, opening up across the chest. Big inhale, exhale, push the hands up higher, inhale, drop. Exhale, push the hands up higher, inhale, drop. 3 more, exhale, lift, inhale, lower. 2 more, exhale, lift, inhale, lower. Last one, lift, pause, belly button in, shoulders back, chest open. Take a great big inhale. Soften hands down, soften shoulders down, relax for a moment. Now, from here, I want you to try and flip your thumbs up to the sky. We're almost rotating in for just a moment, and fan open the shoulder blades away from one another. And then roll the shoulders back. Kiss the tips of the shoulder blades together. Try and keep your thumbs almost pressing up. Take a big inhale. Exhale, push the hands up. Drop them down without lowering the shoulders. Exhale, push the thumbs up. Inhale, drop them down. Keep squeezing the tips of the shoulder blades together as you lift and lower. Pubic bone is still pressing into the mat. Low tummy is pulling in. 2 more. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. This time, lift, pause. Take a great big breath. And then drop everything down. From here, I want us to take our hands wide like a great big T. Now, again, you can set your head on the ground. I'm just lifting so I don't smash my mic. But I want your pubic bone down, your feet actively pressing into the floor, squeezing your thigh butt connection point. From here, at first, just crawl your fingertips nice and far away from one another, almost like you're hugging the ground. And then from here, start to wrap the shoulders towards one another, almost lifting them away. Take a big inhale. Exhale, float your hands up. Touch them down. Exhale, float the hands up. Touch them down. 3 more, exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. 2 more, exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. This time, lift and pause. Wrap the ribs in, belly button down, shoulder blades pull towards one another. And from here, I want you to rotate your palms so they're facing up to the sky, and then rotate so they're facing down to the ground. See if you can keep your hands level, your arms engaged the entire time. Is there tension through your low back? If so, stabilize through your pelvis a little bit more by squeezing the thigh butt connection point so hard you could hold a pencil there, pushing your pubic bone into the floor and pulling the navel away. This time, rotate the palms up to the sky and pause. Take a big inhale. Soften the hands down. Soften the shoulders down. Wrap the shoulders in. Take a big inhale. Float the palms up. Inhale, touch the backs of the hands to the ground. Exhale, float them up. Inhale, touch them down. Exhale, float up. Inhale, down. Squeeze your thigh. Trim your waist. 2 more. Last one. Hold. Chin to chest. Reach your head further away. Pull the navel in. Take a big inhale. Push the heels of the hands up. Drop them down. Exhale, push your palms up. Drop them down. 3 more, exhale, lift, inhale, lower. 2 more, exhale, lift, inhale, lower. Last one, lift, drop it all the way down, and relax. Go ahead, swim your hands straight out in front of you. Pubic bone down, cinch your waist, crawl your fingertips further away, take a big inhale. Think about hollowing from underneath your armpits. Float your right hand up. As you did so, did the weight in your hips or your legs shift? Push more into your pubic bone, center the weight if it did. Drop your right hand down. Exhale, float your left hand out and away. Inhale, drop it down. Exhale, lift the right. Inhale, lower. Stabilize through the hips, lift the left. Inhale, lower. 1 more to each side. Now this next time, Take a big inhale. Exhale, pick up both hands. Hold there for a moment. Pubic bone down. Shoulders down the back. Wrap the shoulder blades towards one another. Big inhale. Exhale, flip your palms up to the sky. Rotate from underneath the armpits and rotate them back down to the ground. Exhale, flip the palms. Inhale, drop them down. Now you can have your head lightly lifted like I am, but look down at your mat. Don't look up at me right now. I want your spine to stay in line. If you can also set your forehead on the floor too and just concentrate on the arms. This time, flip the palms and pause. Press down into your feet, press down into your pubic bone, pull the navel in, take a big inhale. Exhale, push the hands up a little higher, inhale, drop. If it's too much to do both hands at one time, you set one down, but otherwise, 3 more times, exhale up, inhale down. 2 more, exhale up, inhale down. Last one, exhale up, drop it down, rotate them down, and relax. Bend your knees, take a little windshield wiper side to side. And then go ahead, straighten your right hand away, take a little twist, and you can roll over to the right. Come back to your tummy. Pull your right hand in, take your left hand out, roll to your left. Come on back. And then push yourself up to a little child's pose. Crawl your fingertips away, big inhale, big breath out. Find a nice, easy seated position. Shoulders back, head high, and as always, give yourself a great big pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed class today. I cannot wait to see you again.